Good morning to you guys. This morning here, got another pickup. I'm picking up in Walla Walla, so I'm driving empty from Spokane to Walla Walla for pickup. And it's picking up in a hospital, delivering to a hospital here in Spokane. 7 pieces, about 200 pounds. Needs to be hand loaded, hand unloaded. So white glove service. Supposedly needed maybe blankets, so I got those with me as well. And see how it goes. I gotta fill up real quick. I'm out of fuel, and they're hurrying me over there. So I'm trying to get there ASAP. Weather is awesome here, nice and summery. So if you guys want to come to Washington State and you don't come in the winter time, this is the time. So I still can't get used to these expensive fuel prices. Look at that. $3.17. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And this midget station, look how low this is. I'm looking down. Check this out, what this looks like. Look where the pumps are. I don't know. This is a weird one. So there's 2 pumps like this on both sides. They're all low like this. Maybe for small people? I don't understand. I want to do that too. But I'm stuck. I'm stuck making money. Can't complain too much, but... So yeah, I'm about 35 miles out. There's really not much out here. Nothing to really even talk about this whole trip. No scenery, no... Really nothing, except for that plant right there on the right in the fars. That's called Tyson Foods. That's a one stinky place. And that's a one nasty place. I delivered over there many times. When you open the door, you got to be fast in and out of your car because the flies over there, yeah, man. There's more flies than oxygen. Imagine that. So even if you're fast getting in and out of your car, there's still going to be flies in here, and so then you're going to be spending a couple hours driving trying to get them out because they do all that, food processing with the meat and with the intestines and all that crap. Yeah, it's gross, and it stinks over there. I don't even know how those people work there. That's nasty. I think they come home. I think their car stinks just from them sitting in it for however long they sit in it. It's disgusting. Oof. And I don't pay anything for those loads either to come over there. For us anyways, not from Spokane. We delivered belts over there. And yeah, it's pocket change. For that fly hunting you still have to do for 2 hours. Yeah. О, смотрите, что здесь. here's my load. I believe it's ventilators. They come with monitors. See all these tubes and all this other things inside. Yeah, whatever all this is. It's ventilators because you can see this part right here, which is the filter right there. That's a filter. So they're on wheels. I have each rack on the floor. I tighten them to the best of my ability so they don't go forward. They're not going to go sliding, and they're not going to go forward or backwards because I have a wall back there. I put blankets down on this stuff. Sorry, I got the hiccups. Someone's thinking good stuff about me, probably. Maybe the patients that need this stuff. And then I have, strapped it in right there. Then I put a bungee cord over here because these are monitors back here. So these monitors are going to get there safe without any kind of penetrations, hopefully. And then 4 boxes. I don't know what's inside the boxes, but I guess we can look. One is open. What are these things? Oh, filters. Okay. Yeah, boxes of filters. I'm gonna go deliver this stuff and help somebody breathe better. What's inside of here? There we go. I'm gonna go save the day today. Let's roll. We don't have time. No time to waste. I'm hungry. I'm going to get some lunch. I don't even know what there is to eat. See, I grabbed some blankets from home. Got them on special occasions if I ever need them. All my stuff. This ain't flying anywhere, obviously. Not gonna tape those boxes. There's nothing to tape. Oh. It's hot out here. 75. When you got like 60s and 55s at home, it's not the same as it is here. Still haven't got used to this warm weather. What are those guys doing, huh? Cleaning up their yard? See, I guess. People taking care of their stuff. Maybe next time I come here, I'll remember that house. Supra. Yeah, yellow Supra. My boys would go crazy for that one. So I wanted to get something tasty and something nasty and something super tasty, but then I changed my mind. So I got myself somewhat of a healthy lunch. Greek salad, cucumbers, tomatoes in there, onion, whatever else is in there. $7 for that. And wings and a Red Bull to, get it all to boil down with. So I'm going to be chowing down on that and on the way. So I made a quick piss stop. I'm going to go check out what people have caught over here. When I was driving this way, there was a bunch of people on this bridge. I'm going to see what they caught, what kind of fishing is going on over here. And that way I know next time. Maybe I should bring my pole with me. There's nobody here. That's some dirty water. That's gross. Yeah, I don't want to fish here. This is nasty. And where are all the guys at? The cars are still there, but there's nobody here. Maybe it's the siesta time. Oh, look at that. Here's a weight. That's what they use here. A big old hook. What do they leave this for me? Look at that. There's another one. Yeah. Nobody here. It's amazing. Maybe they went sleeping under the bridge. I don't know. So these two things are laying out here in the sun, and it's not a good idea to keep this stuff in the sun. So I'm gonna put it in a fishing box at home in the shade, because this is not a place for it out here. We're gonna stick it in a designated spot in my fishing box. I did just see a fish jump up over there, something decent sized, so I don't know. Maybe trout time right now. Nobody here to ask. I was gonna ask these guys, but you know, they're not here. It's okay. I'm on site, but look at the receiving hours. Only till noon. I don't know what we're gonna do here. Let's see what happens. Might end up with a layover on this stuff. I'll have to sign. I have to have somebody sign, and then I'll get a picture of what I left it.
Okay.
That way they know that it's all, where it needs to be.
Okay. I mean, I'm not sure where they want it. I'm just
Yeah, wherever you guys are leaving it, that's, I just got a picture of everything there. That's it.
Okay.
I'll grab a mask.
All right.
That's it, folks. Load is delivered, signed for, paperwork sent, pictures sent to the broker, everything like they wanted, like they requested. So it's all good, done the right way by a professional. If you guys want to be a professional just like me, and just like others who work with Eagle Express, what you need to do is, down in the description there's an email. If you email that email address for a setup packet, we will send you a setup packet and you can become an owner-operator, work with us and make good money and have a good career. Also, what's going to help me out is if you guys subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, that's a big mistake. Please subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video. Stay healthy. God bless. Take care. Now I got all this to clean up. That whole ramp, these blankets I got to put together, all that stuff, all the fun stuff. Found this in here. Not sure if it's from a ventilator or from something else. Anyways, it was on the ground right there. We'll see. I'm gonna go fold this up, fold up the straps, fold everything up and head home. Don't be bored, guys. Catch you on the next load.